Good morning, Vika. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm okay, thanks. Today I want to ask you some questions about your English knowledge.
Yes, teacher.
How many days are there per week? What are they?
Yes, teacher. There are 7 days per week, such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Very good, Vika. Move to the next question. How many months are there per year? What are they?
Yes, teacher. There are 12 months per year, such as January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
Excellent, Vika. Move to the next question. How many letters are there in English? What are they?
Yes, teacher. There are 26 letters in English, such as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Well done, Vika. Move to the next question. Can you tell me about colors in English?
Yes, teacher. There are white, black, red, yellow, green, blue, orange, purple, pink, brown, and gray.
Wonderful, Vika. Move to the next question. Can you tell me about the animals in English?
Yes, teacher. There are dog, cat, cow, duck, chicken, swan, pig, horse, bird, tiger, lion, deer, donkey, monkey, bee, snake, elephant, crocodile, buffalo, sheep, goat, eagle, bear, panda, fish, crab, shark, snail, shrimp, lobster, oyster, octopus, and frog.
Amazing, Vika. Move to the next question. Can you tell me about fruit in English?
Yes, teacher. There are apple, orange, grape, mango, durian, rambutan, papaya, starfruit, kiwi, jackfruit, passion, banana, avocado, coconut, watermelon, pear, strawberry, plum, peach, cherry, grapefruit, raspberry, pineapple, date, lychee, blueberry, and pomegranate.
Very good, Vika. Move to the next question. Can you tell me about vegetables in English?
Yes, teacher. There are courgette, garlic, potato, tomato, cabbage, okra, ginger, bean, eggplant, broccoli, carrot, cauliflower, salad, marrow, parsnip, swede, pumpkin, yam, mushroom, sweet corn, pepper, cucumber, and lettuce.
Excellent, Vika. Move to the next question. Can you tell me about occupations in English?
Yes, teacher. There are teacher, student, cook, chef, vet, hairdresser, farmer, doctor, nurse, dentist, manager, firefighter, policeman, businessman, accountant, architect, astronomer, author, baker, butcher, carpenter, judge, mechanic, pilot, lawyer, conductor, producer, composer, singer, dancer, musician, boxer, cameraman, detective, journalist, housewife, taxi driver, pope, priest, salesman, librarian, pirate, and monk.
Wonderful, Vika. Move to the next question. Can you tell me about illnesses in English?
Yes, teacher. There are cold, cough, fever, sore throat, headache, stomachache, cramp, toothache, earache, spots, backache, broken nose, and broken arm.
Very good, Vika. Move to the next question. Can you tell me about feelings in English?
Yes, teacher. There are hopeful, surprised, happy, upset, mad, confused, sad, excited, embarrassed, scared, disappointed, proud, tired, worried, angry, jealous, stupid, suspicious, confident, bored, afraid, and miserable.
Amazing, Vika. Move to the last question. Can you count 1 to 20 in English? and then 10 to 100?
Yes, teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100.
Well done, Vika. You're a very smart student, and you can remember all lesson that I've taught you. It's a break time now. See you later.
Thank you, teacher. See you later. Thank you for watching channel, Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like, and share.